Here's a quick video on how to use our new market analysis tool to establish distances between a series of points and a home point. Essentially, the home point is right there in that factory. We're going to look at these Miami area points in a separate data set and see if we can't identify the distances. I'm going to clear that route. We've got a drive time polygon that's an hour around, it might be a half hour around that factory distance, around that factory point. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a radius search of that Miami area and get that group of points right there in a data set. And those come out of that current customer file. I'm going to go next. I'm going to say Miami customers. And we've got that now as a data set with the addresses, city, and we are going to close that. And now we're going to go up to our market analysis tools, which are the bullseye. And we have three options here. We can search data in multiple locations. We can calculate the number of customers near each location and average or total the sales of those particular customers. But we're going to find the nearest store or pickup location for each customer account and calculate the distances. And in your customer or your store might be patients at a hospital, or it might be drop-off locations and a warehouse. But we call it store and customer. So now we are going to pick Miami customers, and then we're going to select, that's the data set that contains the customer locations. And now we're going to pick that home location or that store location, which is this sample originating. That's the factory symbol on the map right there. And I'm going to not worry about max distances. I'm just going to leave that open. We can change the name of what we want those customers to be. It might be account calls, could be delivery stops, could be whatever you want it to be. And you could have not just one location at the center or at the home spot, but it could be up to 5. So you could compare the distances of up to 5 different locations to all those locations that we're targeting. And we're going to go next. And that's it. So now we are going to open up the data window, which has all of those Miami addresses in that Miami area and the distance to our home address, which is this Dean Still Road address, which happens to be in the Orlando area. So this gives us the distance, and you can total the distance down here. So if you had to go to every single account down there, it would be roughly 1,500 miles of point-to-point driving. Thank you for taking the time to view a Map Business Online video tutorial. Don't forget, we're at Map Business Online, www.mapbusinessonline.com. We have a free trial available. Thanks very much.